everyone, it's Anna here at Dee's, and today we have an adorable Easter wreath kit for you using the smaller version of the black and white check gingham bunny. We're going to twist them onto our grapevine wreath frame, add some carrots, some cute ribbon. It's going to be a perfect, really nice store wreath for you for Easter. I've got an 18-inch grapevine wreath here. This is the one thing not included in your wreath kit, but is sold separately up on the website shopdeeslouisville.com. We're going to start out with taking the little bunny. I've added a wire onto the back. He's got a nice hanger. All you have to do is twist a piece of wire right there, and then we're going to put him off to the right on the wreath, the top right over here. And then we'll add our floral in around him. Just take a second, twist them on there really nice and tight. And now you're ready to go. So today we're going to start out with a little carrot. This stem is really nice because it has greenery with it, all kinds of fun stuff. But then it has those adorable little woven carrots. So take a second, fluff it. We're going to go right over here towards the side. Cut your stem off. A little bit of glue and you're ready to go right into the wreath. Okay, and then once it's on there, you can move everything around a little bit more. You can see there's berries, there's fern, there's all kinds of stuff, and there's even a little bit of touch of yellow, which I like a lot. Okay, next up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in this pretty white stem. I love this one because it has some daisies in it, but it also has this really beautiful greenery. We're gonna chop this one too. And then this one I'm going to go in at the opposite way. So I want the majority of the length of the stem to kind of come down since that one went up. So a little bit of glue. We're going to go right below the bottom carrot here. And then just take a second and fluff it all out. All right, and then next we're gonna add our ribbon, and then we have another greenery stem in there that's nice and airy. Since this is so full, we'll add that last. For our ribbon today, we're gonna start out with the welcome in the burlap color. Make a couple loops of that. Then we're gonna add in our green moss stripe. Couple loops in that one. We're going to do 3 of that one. And then lastly, we have our black and white polka dot to tie in the bunny. 3 loops of that one. All right, once you got your ribbon tied, we're going to tie it off with our wire. We're going to go right here where the stem stops and the bunny starts. That way we don't cover up any of that pretty floral, because that bow is a little bit bigger than we normally do. Go ahead and twist that on. Okay, and then just take a second, bring your floral to the middle of your bow so it doesn't look like you just stuck a bow on there, and then you're ready to cut those tails. And then lastly, we're just going to add in this really pretty jasmine stem. It cuts apart in 3 easy pieces, but it's nice because once you fluff it out, it really does add like this really nice springy movement to your wreath, a little bit more airiness. So we're going to go right behind the carrots up here. And then the other one, we're going to go down here behind the bow before the bunny. And then the last one, we're going to go right back in here at an angle. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just go in there and find all those cute little sprigs that had the color and the berries, and just bring them back more towards the front. Especially our carrots there. And then same thing here. Make sure that bunny shows up really well. All right, you guys, perfect, cute little Easter wreath, especially if you don't want glitter or a lot of bright colors. This is a really cute one to have for your front door. Really quick and easy to make. And this and so many more kits are all available up on shopdeeslouisville.com.